What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to share with you my journey of investing $50 every day for the last 252 days. That means every day the stock market was open, I invested $50. And guess what? In today's video, I want to share those results. But before we dive into it, please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, as I alluded to, the stock market is open 252 trading days a year. Okay, you know we normally have 365 days in your typical year. Okay, so you minus the holidays, and guess what we get? We get 252 days to get busy in the stock market. Okay, and so one thing I like to do, lateral to trading options and to making the money that we make on a daily basis, whether we're trying to make $100 a day or $1,000 a day, I like to redeploy that money back into my dividend plays. Okay, and so in today's video, we're going to break that down. Okay, and let's go ahead and look at a couple things really quickly, guys. I wanted to pull up the calculator. $50 a day, okay, times 252, that's how many days that's in the stock market that are actually open. Okay, that's out of the 365 days. That gives us $12,600. Okay, on a monthly basis, if you did $50 a day, assuming it's around 30 days in a month, that means you're allocating at least $1,500 every single month towards this one particular stock. Okay, now I do this across several different stocks just because I believe you should always be invested in the market. You should always be in the market, and I'm going to show you why today. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check this out. Ticker symbol SCHD, for example. This is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Let me know down in the comments below if you own this, because if you don't, you should. Okay, now check this out. Let's go ahead and unpack this. My current position states that I have 407 shares, 0.407609. Okay, those numbers that follow are just dividends being reinvested, dividends buying fractional shares, because I have what's called DRIP. Okay, dividend reinvestment. That means when I get paid a dividend, instead of spending the money, instead of withdrawing it out the market, I go and buy however the amount that I can afford of that particular stock to put it back into it to help grow it a little more. That's where these numbers come from. Okay, so check this out. My average cost is $71.65. Okay, now look to the total return. All right, I am up 17%, over 17.5%, guys. That is phenomenal. This is what I talk about when I stress the importance of buying low, buying quality, and consistently investing every single day, or every single week, or at least every single month. Okay, I often say you can't get a 17% return in a bank, in a CD, or in a money market account. Those are all good vehicles to have, but nothing beats the stock market, as it is the greatest vehicle for wealth creation we have. Okay, and so this is why we do this. Okay, but check this out, guys. I want to show you guys how and what this actually looks like. Okay, check this out, guys. As you can see, every single day, September 17th, 16th, 13th, 12th, 11, 10, 9, 6, 5, 4. And this just goes back over the course of 252 days, okay? And look at this. It's $50 here, $50 there, $50 there, $50 there. And so you have to be committed. This is why I talk about the importance of get focused if you're in this game, because what we don't want to do is forfeit investing our $50 a day because, say for instance, we're consistently going to concerts, we're taking trips, we're buying bags, we're buying shoes, we're buying stuff that we don't need, because guess what? We already got enough of that. We already have enough stuff. And so we have to refocus ourselves and make sure we're buying assets. We have to make sure we're buying things that's going to allow us to live better later, as well as speed up the process of getting off the corporate plantation, okay? And so I just wanted to share that with you guys in terms of what it looks like on a consistent basis, investing, starting with $5,000, okay? We started with $5,000, and check this out. Look at these plays, okay, guys? Every time that I do this, which if you rock with the money team, or if you have been a part of this channel and been with me since 2020, we do this on a pretty consistent basis. So please consider, again, tapping in and joining and getting part of the community so that you can start to have a two-pronged approach. I want you to be investors first. But lateral to investing, you must learn how to trade. You must learn how to read a chart, because the amount of moves you can make with the velocity and the speed in which we can do it by learning to properly trade, by learning to be surgical and be technical in our pursuit of making money on a consistent basis, allows us to supercharge our long-term investments, okay? And so that's what today is all about. Investing $50 a day every single day without fail. I don't get distracted. I don't deviate from the plan. I don't panic. I don't freak out during a market crash. I stay consistent. I set it, and I make sure that I show up no matter where the price is at. And this is the beautiful thing. This is called dollar cost averaging, guys, which means no matter what the price is, you buy. Sometimes you're going to buy it when it's high. Sometimes you're going to buy it when it's the middle. Sometimes you're going to buy it when it's low. But when you do it consistently and you accumulate all of these shares, $50 a day on the low end, $50 a day as it rises, you then get the median average of it all. And over time, you're getting more money into it, and you're getting this 17% return on your money. And it's only going to go higher over the next years when I show you again, when we do it 2 years and 3 years and 4 years, and you'll just kind of see just that approach alone has allowed me to have more freedom, have more financial stability, have more financial certainty. How many of you guys would love to see yourself bringing in $2,000 a month in dividends, having a play that is able to help pay or cover some of the bills, or just give you a sense of security? That's what you can do when you take this serious and you do it for the long haul and you do it consistently without fail, okay? So listen, guys, today I just wanted to share with you the results of what it looks like to consistently invest $50 a day over the course of 252 days in a year when you just do it right. Okay, and that's just not even me showing you guys that when you do this consistently, so sometimes, for example, instead of SCHD, the money might go to VTI, or instead of VTI, the money might go to NVIDIA. So we're always building our wealth out, and we always have these assets working on our behalf. You always want to put your army of dollar bills to work, because guess what? Your money and your assets don't need a day off. They don't have a sick day. They don't have a mental health day. They don't need a vacation. You get the money and you put it in a vehicle that can go work twice as harder and longer than you. And that's how you set yourself free. That's how you retire earlier. That's how you retire younger. This is how you reach financial freedom. This is how you reach financial independence. So listen, guys, I just wanted to share that with you today. Hopefully this was both inspiring as well as motivating, showing you what's possible, taking you under the hood, letting you see what a consistent and disciplined investor looks like, lateral to the surgical nature of our trading on a daily basis, okay? Give your money a purpose, because if not, somebody else will find a need for it, okay? Remember, in everything we do, we are doing it with intentionality. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.